we can see the basic D2A conversion and the time and some of the types of D2A, that is D2A conversion techniques. That is, here this is the basic D2A conversion technique. Here when we are seeing this, the circuit diagram shows the basic D2A conversion technique. Here in this, the input is an n-bit binary word, that is capital D, and is combined with a reference voltage VR to get an analog output volt signal. And here the output of an AD converters can either be a voltage or current. For an output that is voltage output DAC, that is the analog to digital converter, is mathematically described by the equation V naught equal to KVFS into D1 2 power minus 1 plus D2 2 power minus 2 plus up to dA 2 power minus n, where V naught is the output voltage, VFS is the full scale output voltage, and K is the scaling factor usually adjusted to unity, by D1, D2, Dn are the n-bit binary fraction word with a decimal point located at the end of the at the left, and D1 is the MSB with a weighted sum of VFS divided by 2, and Dn is the LSB with a weighted sum of the VFS divided by 2. Here you can see the types of DAC, that is weighted resistor DAC, R2R ladder DAC, and inverter R2R ladder. Here we can see the weighted resistor DAC and R2R ladder DAC. First one is the weighted resistor DAC. Here in the weighted resistor DAC, it uses a summing amplifier with a binary weighted resistor network, and here it has n electronic switches, that is D1, D2 and Dn, controlled by binary input word. These switches are single pole double throw switch, that is SPDT switch, and here if the binary input to a particular switch is 1, it connects the resistance to the reference voltage, that is minus VR, and if the input bit is 0, then the switch is connected to the resistance to the ground. Here the output current I0 for an ideal op amp can be written as I0 equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus up to IN. Here we know that the value of I1 equal to VR by 2R. We are substituting the value of I1, I2 and up to IN. Therefore, after simplification, we are just getting the I0 equal to VR by R into the term inside the bracket, that is D1 2 power minus 1 plus D2 2 power minus 2 plus up to Dn 2 power minus n, and the output voltage can be given as V0 equal to I0 into Rf. We are substituting the value of I0, therefore we are just getting the last equation. And the drawback is it requires a wide range of resistor values, that is, for example, for a 8-bit DAC, the resistor requires are 2 power 1R, 2 power 2R, 2 power 3R and 2 power 8R. Therefore, the largest resistor is 128 times the smallest one. For a 12-bit DAC, the largest resistor requires 5.12 mega ohm if the smallest is 2.5 k ohm. Therefore, in the case of weighted resistor DAC, it requires a wide range of resistor values. Also, the voltage drop across such a large resistors due to the bias current could also affect the accuracy of the circuit. Therefore, to overcome this, we can just go for the next one, that is R2R ladder DAC. This is a circuit diagram for R2R ladder DAC. Here in the above, that is in this R2R ladder DAC, we can reduce the wide range of resistor, and here that is required in the binary resistor DAC. This can be avoided by using R2R ladder type DAC, where only 2 values of resistors are required. The values of R ranges from 2.5 kilo ohm to 10 kilo ohm. For simplicity, and also in the figure A, the switch position D1, D2, D3 corresponds to the binary word 1, 0, 0. Here, if you are applying the nodal voltage, that is, if you are applying the voltage at node C, that is node C, we can write this equation as, that is, the minus VR into 2 by 3 into R divided by 2R plus 2R by 3. After simplification, we are just getting minus VR by 4. And the output voltages can be given by using this equation as V naught equal to minus 2R by R into minus VR divided by 4 equal to VFS divided by 2. Here, while finding the value of VR, that is the voltage at node A, we are just applying, that is the input current minus VR, input voltage, into the component that is connected across that is sum of 2R, the parallel of 2R and R. Here 2R and R are connected, therefore parallel resistance. How will you connect it? To calculate the parallel resistance, 2R into R divided by 2R plus R. Therefore R and R cancel, therefore R square and R square get cancelled, therefore we are just getting the value for 2 by 3 into R. Therefore the output resistance minus VR that is the output voltage equal to, that is minus VR into the component connected across that divided by sum of the component. Therefore minus VR into 2 by 3 into R divided by 2 by 3 into R plus 2R. Therefore we are just getting that value, that is the minus VR by, after simplification we are just getting minus VR by 4. Here we are just substituting the value in the output voltage. Therefore the output voltage V naught equal to minus 2R by R into minus VR by 4. Therefore we are just getting VR by 4. That is, in this case, in the R to R ladder DAC, therefore by using the R and 2 value, only we are just using 2 values, that is R and 2 values. By using the 2 values, we can just reduce the wide range of the resistor that is used in the case of binary weighted DAC. Therefore this is about the R to R ladder DAC, and the inverter R to R ladder DAC can be seen in the next video. Okay, thank you.